On December 25, 2023, the President gave assent to the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 (BNS), the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 (BNSS), and the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023 (BSA). These new laws will replace the Indian Penal Code 1860, Code of Criminal Procedure 1898, and the Indian Evidence Act 1872. Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, 45 of 2023. This legislation will be implemented on July 1, 2024, although certain provisions will be excluded from enforcement. These exclusions require careful examination to understand their implications within the legal system. Highlights of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 (BNS) introduces community service as a punishment, replaces sedition with an offence for acts endangering India's sovereignty, unity and integrity, adds terrorism and organized crime as offences, penalizes group murder based on identity markers with severe penalties including life imprisonment or death. Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, 46 of 2023. Also set to be enforced on July 1, 2024. This law has some exceptions that highlight the need for a thorough review of its interconnected legal aspects. The BNSS aims to provide for a faster and more efficient justice system to address the issues of delay in delivery of justice due to complex procedures, large pendency of cases in courts, low conviction rates, low level of use of technology in legal system, delays in investigation and inadequate use of forensics. Highlights of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 BNSS. Forensic investigations. Required for serious offences. Forensic experts collect and record evidence. Electronic proceedings, trials and inquiries can be conducted electronically using digital evidence. In absentia trials, trials can proceed and judgments be made without absconding offenders. Sample collection. Collection of signatures, handwriting, finger impressions and voice samples from even non-arrested individuals. Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023, 47 of 2023. This statute will take effect on July 1, 2024, without any exclusions. It necessitates a detailed analysis to fully grasp its comprehensive scope and impact. The Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023 or BSA 2023 retains various provisions of the IEA such as on burden of proof, confessions, and relevancy of facts. Some of the major changes are listed as follows. Section 2 of the BSA 2023 modified the definition of document by including electronic and digital records. Highlights of the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023 BSA modernizes evidence handling with provisions for digital and electronic evidence, establishes rules for the admissibility of electronic documents in legal proceedings, aims to streamline court procedures for efficiency, provides guidelines for witness testimony, including protections, includes measures to protect individual privacy rights in electronic evidence, sets rules for the interpretation and application of digital and electronic evidence in court. These new laws are designed to modernize the criminal justice system in India, and it is crucial for higher education institutions, HEIs, to facilitate an in-depth understanding through educational initiatives.